What's going on, fellow scavengers? Today we're going to go over some of the changes we're pushing to the bot today in our original strategy, the market making strategy, and basically this is reflective on the way that the market has been the past couple weeks with these long periods of consolidation and how we're going to adjust the bot to deal with these. We are hearing all of your suggestions and we are really reading over every single one. So if you guys have suggestions on new things that you want added to this during beta as we build this out, please remember to use the bugs enhancement on the GitHub. Anything you add there we are looking at and we are seriously taking into consideration. So thank you to everyone who has added a suggestion there, and you will see new things coming in the following weeks. The biggest thing that we are launching today is Smart Channel. Now, this is, like I said, this is a new thing coming to slow down buys in times of consolidation. So what we're doing is we always want to keep with the strategy our price in a certain range. So the basis of the strategy will not change because it is effective. Now, what we are trying to battle is these terms of consolidation. So if you see what happened here before this mega drop today, we had this period of consolidation through here that was within, it's very tight, within $80, $50 to $100, but there was some moves. But I mean, you can see this just happening over the last couple of weeks. You just have these really tight periods of consolidation and then small moves in between them. Now, ideally, we want bigger moves like this and, time to get into them, but we'll make do with what we have. And on the minute candles, it doesn't look so bad when you zoom out, but when you really zoom in, these time periods consolidate for a long time. So this is what we are adding to battle that. So what this is a smart channel. Now this is going to be a price range. So there's two things it's going to do. It's going to kick into effect after a certain percentage of your balance has been used. So that's the first safety. And then the second safety is there's going to be a price range within your average entry position. So if it's consolidated inside this price range, we're not going to try to buy until there's a move outside. So when there's movement outside and then you're below, you're outside that price range far enough, like in a spot like this, then we'll start adding to your position, in these periods where it's really going to be beneficial to move your average price down. And then the same thing on the opposite side. So it's basically, this is going to be I'm trying to visualize this here so you guys can see this, but this will not be visible on your bot, of course, or on your BitMEX account. But this is kind of, if you can visualize what we're talking about with a smart channel and how it's going to follow your average price, this is kind of how it would look like. And then the same thing on the short. So if you're building a short position through here, as soon as your average entry price, you're caught up to your average entry price, you're not going to be adding to your position in here. Well, if it's not beneficial, you know what I mean? So if it's just adding contracts to your position but not helping your average entry price, there's no reason to buy in here. So we're adding this layer of consolidation protection, which will stop your liquidation price from creeping up on you when it's not beneficial to your position. I hope this helps. I want to keep this quick and simple, and we'll continue to build on this and give more information for you guys in the future. And if you have any questions, leave comments below and head over to the Discord and let us know what you think, or if you have questions, stuff like that. But over and out. We'll see you soon.